Hello guys, welcome. Connecting Claude Code to Figma is one of the fastest ways to bridge the gap between design and production code. By linking your Figma design files or using Model Context Protocol, our Claude can directly inspect layout properties, extract design tokens, read component variables, and turn your UI designs into clean front-end code. So firstly you need to create a personal access token inside Figma, so Claude has permission to read your design files securely. So just open up Figma, click on your profile avatar, and go to Settings. Okay, so right here, and choose Settings. After that, select Security tab, fourth one, and scroll down to the Personal Access Tokens section and click Generate New Token right over here. Then give your token a name, for example, Claude Code Access, granted file read-only access, and copy the generated token immediately. You won't be able to see it again. And then we can connect that token to Claude using Figma Model Context Protocol server. Open your terminal in VS Code, run the command to add Figma MCP server to your Claude configuration, as said right here. When prompted, also paste your Figma personal access token. Then launch a session by typing Claude, copy any Figma file or frame URL, paste it into your chat prompt, and ask Claude to inspect the design or generate matching React, Tailwind, or CSS components. And after that, you can turn your Figma UI designs into production-ready code straight from your terminal. Enjoy.